Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Cincau Gula Merah and I'm from class 12 Science 2 Mandalika. So, I'm here to tell you a very simple recipe that I think everyone can make at home. So, on this occasion, I will make a grass jelly brown sugar ice. So, to make these drinks or beverage, you only need 4 ingredients. As you can see here, we only need condensed milk, grass jelly. So I use an instant grass jelly that you need to cook later, and if you want you can add some coconut jelly too, but it's additional. And of course you need some brown sugar, and the last one is of course some water. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first step to make this delicious yet very simple grass jelly ice recipe, all you need to do is to add some water into a pot. So right here I'm using about 600 milliliter water, or if you don't have any measurement, you can use a small glass like this and then use about 3 small glass. And next I'm gonna add the jelly mix into the pot. When it's all in, stir until it's completely dissolved. And turn on the fire. Turn on the heat. And we'll just need to wait for it until it boils. Okay, so the next step, while waiting the jelly to be ready, which is my sister has taken over, I'm gonna take the brown sugar that I prepared previously and chop it into tiny pieces like this so it can be easily dissolved in the water later. And the final product should be look like this. When the jelly mix is ready, it's completely boiled, all you need to do is to pour it into this tiny container over here, or you can use cake mold or whatever you have at home. Okay, like that. And after we poured it, we just need to wait until it completely hardened. I also made this coconut jelly over here to be the additional, but it's not boiled yet. So we're gonna wait until it's boiled. And the next step, while waiting the jelly to be set, I'm gonna add the brown sugar that we prepared lately into a boiling water over here until it completely dissolved. Don't forget to stir it. When the surface of the jelly is getting kind of hardened and the temperature is getting warmer, we can store it in the fridge so it can be hardened more faster. So here's the brown sugar, and I think the brown sugar that I previously added is completely dissolved, so let's just let it sit until it's getting cold. The grass jelly is ready. So the next step is we're gonna cut the jelly over here. After you cut it, you divide it into 4 pieces, 4 big pieces like this, and we're gonna cut it into more small pieces. And don't forget to wash your hand first. This is how it looks after. Well, actually you can grate it, but I don't have any grater with me right now, so I just slice it like this. You can slice it into a cube size or whatever you want. I'm finished with the grass jelly. Let's do the coconut jelly next. I'm finished with the bud jellies, so let's move to the next step. Okay, now we're in the last step of this recipe. So all you need to do is to prepare a big bowl like this or anything you want to use. And next, add in your jellies. And finally, you can add the brown sugar water that we prepared lately. And finally, add the condensed sugar. I'm not using any measurements, so just add as much as you like. Don't forget to stir it. This is how the final product should look like, and it's ready to be served with some ice. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.